Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. I'm recording this video for the 20th expiry, which expired yesterday. And coming back to the last week, we saw that the market had come across a 200 DMA support, which was around 17,000. And from 13th of October, it went on to move to 17,600 roughly. So this was a move roughly of around 600 points in the market. So with this kind of up move, the VIX crashed significantly, and this has come down to roughly around the pre-war time. So if you look at the war, which broke out around over here, so we are at this sort of levels, which below than that level. So this was the position which was there, and what was my position over the week was that I started with 17,000 CE buy of 24th November so that I will lose less money in terms of hedging. And this was the sold area which I had sold around 15,700 and 18,000 CE. I hope that market would bounce back from 16,000, but 16,800, but it looked like the market bounced from 15,700 itself. So this was what it was happening over here. And then what I moved was I moved to 16,000 P. Then I moved to 20th October, then which was around 16,700 and 17,000 and 17,600 at the day end. So I had bought this. So the amount lost was very minimal, around 1,000 and over here 8,000. And this was my profit, which was around 1.5% of the capital used for this trade. So this was the sort of jumping I did. Started with a calendar of the next weekly, which is the 27th October expiry, and I had bought for the 24th November. And then I moved to the PE side of the 20th October expiry. So it was sort of a triple calendar, which I'm working on, sort of. And I kept on moving, trying to be on the safe range. If you look at the entry price for this old, it was around 1616 at the beginning, and then it was quite low. So I was just capturing all the premiums safely as much as possible, trying to avoid any kind of losses. So it was not kind of any kind of aggressive trades. And looking at there was some intraday or something like that. So bank trades I entered and I exited. I entered and I exited. And there was TCS, which I had come across. I closed this for the October series. Then there was this Bajaj Finance. I closed this as well. So, and then there was Infosys, which I had, and I closed this as well around 8,000. And then there was HDFC. So I closed this as well. So overall, the profit came up to 80,000 rupees for this week. So carrying this month profits to 2.35 lakh. So this is all about it for this week. And the next week trades, I've already taken it. So it was again the same story. I took around 17,500 and 600 because the market was around 17,550. So I sold 16,300 and 18,300. And today morning I closed this at 5.5 and entered 16,600 P. So the action is that Monday is the wholesome trading. So this, in case I get around 45,000, I am planning to have a quits in this market and go. So this would be mostly I'm targeting 45,000 by Monday, Tuesday, and I would be planning to closing this trade of the 3rd November. So I'm already planning for 3rd November, even though my plan of exit is before the 27th of October and move to a next weekly. So this is what it looks like. And then there is some couple of stuff which I did. So in fee, I had bought the stocks at 1,400. So I'm keeping the break even at 1,004. I mean the highest peak at 1,400. So in case market goes up to 1,600, I would make around 60,000 profits, roughly around 15% from the time I entered, and I would exit the trade in case if it comes back. That was the perfect hedging which I have planned for. And Bajaj, I'm planning to buy if it comes at 16,500 P. The results are really good, and also TCS, I'm ready to take it around 3,000 P. So and the same with HDFC Bank, I'm targeting 13,360 and 1,600. See, so this would be for the end of November, and this would be it. So this is the plan of action for next week. And in case of 40,000, that would be 45,000. That would be a profits of around 2.75, 2.8 lakhs for this month. That's roughly around 5% of my capital, which is really nice. So with this, I would like to end this video. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.